Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, Skylar and I are on a short little fishing trip in one of our favorite creeks. This place is slam-packed with smallmouth bass. There's some pretty decent sized ones in here. We're gonna try to get on them before baseball today. What do you think, kiddo?
Yeah.
All right, let's get to it. Moving pretty good, kiddo.
Okay. This is a good spot. If sunfish like it, bass have to like it.
Bass will like it. You just gotta figure this out.
There's another sunfish. Got him.
You got him? Nice. Ooh, that's a pretty one, bud.
A really pretty one.
That's beautiful.
I got one on a cicada.
That is beautiful, buddy. Looks like something you'd see in the Amazon.
Amazon River?
Look at that.
Yeah.
That is cool, dude.
That's beautiful.
That is beautiful.
There we go.
Little smallmouth down here. There you go.
Oh, it's a mini smallmouth. Oh, he stole my bite. He stole my bite, of course.
Got him. Got a little smallmouth. He came up and slammed that. Yeah, just a little one. We're looking for the 3-pounders, 3 and 4 pounders.
Good hole, I remember.
Got him. I got a little bigger.
If I was 6, it would be up to here on me.
Good thing you're 7 then, huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
Let me get on him.
I'm not like you. I ain't gonna steal your fish. Got him.
Ow! What?
Little chub or something. That is pretty. I don't know what that is. It's got some really neat colors on it. And it's got like horns on the top. All over its head. Any idea what that is, guys? Let me know in the comments. Central Illinois. Creek fishing. Sky, look at that. Look at the head on that. No, like the spikes on the top of it. Yep. Oh, there it goes. All right, kiddo, let's move on down.
What are you looking at?
Yeah, frog. That probably make good bait.
Should we use it?
Nah, we'll let him go.
For a good bait, you know why? Dad, the water feels really good. Well, I'm about to go into that, Dad.
You got blood all on the back of your neck, dude.
No? Wait, show me.
I think you got stuck by that bush.
Let me see it.
Oh,
I don't see the blood. Whew. Move on. Move on. Move on.
got one.
What?
That's a decent one. Oh no, he got off. Darn it. Well, I think Skylar and I had enough of not getting bites, so We got a couple fish on the board today, so at least we didn't get skunked. But I have had way better days out here. I'm talking 7, 8, 9 smallmouth, just slamming. I think we're gonna wait for this creek to go down to come back out here. Hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. We plan on coming back out here and doing some more stuff, but I figured we'd just scope it out and see if those bass were biting today, but evidently they weren't. The only nice one that we got, I couldn't even land, so just one of those days. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out my channel. I got a bunch of hunting, fishing, camping videos. Try to put out a new video every Saturday. If you like that type of thing, make sure you click subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. As always, you guys take care, and we'll see you next time at JP Outdoors.